Hi guys, I'm Niko and welcome to my first YouTube video ever. And I'm going to be showing you a little bit on how I do my makeup. It's nothing crazy, as you can see. It's this look here. Not a whole lot going on, but I have had questions asked about what I use and how I do it. So what better time than now to show y'all. So let's get started. So I already cleaned my face, washed my face. I've been using a blackhead clearing green tea scrub by St. Ives. This one smells bomb. I suggest 100%. Yeah. My skin feels a lot better. I was breaking out a lot. I think it's from all the smoke. I work in a casino, so it's probably from like the nasty air pollution. Also, I eat like crap, so there's that. Alright, let's get started on how I do my makeup. Alright, so I use a Rimmel London Stay Matte Porcelain Ivory. I guess it's a mousse foundation. I always thought it was BB cream, but I must have switched over at some point. There's that. I kind of just put it all over my face. I hope you can see it good. I'm also blind without my glasses, so I don't really know if you can see what I'm... Yeah, you can totally see what I'm doing. My face is like right there. Maybe this will help. It's kind of dark, but I mean, I guess it's cool. When I first started wearing makeup, I only did under my eyes, but I just do my whole face now. I don't know when that started happening. Pretty sure it was when I started getting like some acne spots on my both cheeks, when I started working at the casino. Yeah, I think we're good. Alright, so now we're moving on to the eyebrows. I feel like I'm pretty lucky because my eyebrows are still intact. Fun fact, my cousin, my god sister, I like grew up really close with, she did my eyebrows when I was 13, and I kind of just maintained them since. So shout out to Shorty, because she helped me out here. Oh, and I forgot to show what I use. So I use the NYX Tame and Frame. I don't even know if you can see that. This way, Tame and Frame. Oh my god, my fingers are gross. Okay, Tame and Frame. This is what editing's for, right? So back to doing the brows. I follow my natural shape, and I kind of just make sure it gets really like tapered at the end. Some days I feel like my eyebrows are really thick looking and I don't like it, but when I look back at pictures, they don't look too bad. I hope this doesn't get flagged for the music, because that would super suck. That's pretty much all I do for my eyebrows. I kind of just fill them in a little bit on the side or the insides. I do have one of those little like eyebrow brushes too. I guess I'll pull it out. Yeah, so like the little like thing, it's like a little brush. And I kind of just brush it out in the front side because sometimes it looks too dark. Sometimes I don't like it, so I just brush it out a bit. Next step, we'll keep it simple. I'll do the same exact look I had earlier. And I keep forgetting to show the product I use. So let me do that. I hate saying this because it's already hard to find them, and I feel like it's gonna be harder if people actually like the formula, but it's Rimmel London. It's a gel eyeliner. I don't know exactly what it's called. Maybe it's like Scandalous Eyes or something. No idea. That could be a different brand for all I know. I like it because I have oily eyelids, and it a lot of other eyeliners just smear off crazy. I also like that this one has a brush. It comes with a new brush every time, and it's very precise. Glides on really smooth. But yeah, so I just put a little bit on the tip, and then I used to have a really big problem with making them even. It would kind of like, one would be higher and one would be like lower, and they were kind of weird. So I do it a little differently now. I kind of just look for my little natural crease in my eye, I guess. And I do that on both sides just as like a outline, or I guess it would be an outline. Guideline. The word I was looking for is guideline. It's okay. Learning progress. Learning process. Saying all the wrong words. But yeah, I kind of just get the guideline going, and then I start to wing it out from the bottom. Okay. Sometimes I do leave like lines that got missed, like really close to my lash line. So I just kind of try to make sure it's covered pretty good and doesn't have those weird like gaps. Alright, so that's pretty much the basics. Then I get an old brush that I have from my eyeliner. I cleaned it and now I use it for kind of cleaning things up with the foundation. So I go back to my also Rimmel London liquid foundation, and then I kind of just use it to clean up the sides. Make sure they're nice and clean, nice and crisp. It's like the top part like that doesn't seem too bad when I did it right now. Sometimes I will get a little messy on the top, so I'll go in and fix it with this. But it didn't seem that bad. It's not that bad. Next step, I go to Pumped Up Colossal by Maybelline. It's really dark, you can't really see it. Yeah, the pink one. They used to have the brush and the containers separate. I don't know why they started putting them together, unless that was like a double pack. Yeah, I kind of just give it a few coats until I feel like it's chilling, like so. I think that's good. I don't clean the bottom, like the bottom lash mascara, like little extra, just because it looks like I put liner on the bottom when it really didn't. I don't know, I kind of like that messy look. The one thing that does bug me though, like even though I leave the bottom there, when I get on the top, like right above my eyeliner, it bugs me so bad. Alright, what next? Sometimes I like to get a little fancy and get some blush. Don't even ask me what blush this is. I have no idea. I kind of just broke it, so awesome. It's kind of a bright pink. I don't know what happened. Why is it like... It like chunked up. Not chunked up, but like broken pieces. Anyway, so if I end up with a lot of pink on my face, that's probably why. But I really like this pink. I need to find something that's similar to it because it's almost done, hence the breaking. Kind of throw it on my cheeks and stuff with a little fluffy brush. Totally not professional, nothing crazy. And yeah, I kind of just add as I go, see what I like, and then I put a little bit on my nose. It's cute sometimes. And then I recently got this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt the last time I was at, oh, there we go. Oh, wow. That's so much better. I recently got this, I think it's backwards. I'm a fool, this is a mirror. So it has like a bronzer? I don't know if that's what it's called. It has like a brown one for like the contouring, so I throw a little that on there. Kinda just, you know, I don't know if this is right, but this is what I do. I remember I used to use one that came in where the blush came from, and I felt like a dirt on my face. So I don't know if I'm cut out for this. I don't really know what I'm doing with it. That's a little dimension. I think I was gonna try like the whole neck thing because I know that like brings out your jawline a little bit. I have a little round face, so it's probably helpful, you know. But I don't want it to look like I have dirt on my neck and on my face. That would suck. So there's that, and then it has this really pretty highlighter, and I love it. It's beautiful. I always wanted like a really shiny, sparkly gold one. So this one's really stinking close. I love it. I never even get to see it because like I have no natural light in my room. Bruh, I have a window right here. I don't know why I didn't think to open it. Yay! Okay, let's do some more. And I just put some on my brow bone. Maybe even my nose too. Why not? Just throw it everywhere. I'm gonna throw on a lipstick. This one is Salem by Lime Craig. I think that's good. That's it. That's all I do for my makeup. Make sure I don't have anything on my cheek. Oh, and the glasses. Can't forget the glasses. Alright. Alright, so here's the finished product of my little tutorial there. Kind of. This is it. Thanks for watching.